In this video, you will learn how to declare an integer variable, initialize the variable, and display the value of variable on output screen. Let's get started. If you want step-by-step instructional video on how to install and set up C compiler and code blocks, click on suggested link at top right of this video. Stay tuned till end of this video. I will show two different ways on how you can declare an int variable in C and initialize a value to it. Now that I have created a C project, I will first declare an int variable. Before that, let's understand what is integer variable. Integer variables are variables capable of holding integer numbers, that is, whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integer variables can be signed int or unsigned int. I will talk more about signed and unsigned in some other video. Do let me know in comment section if you would like to see videos on this. By default, integer variables are signed int, that is, integer variables by default can hold both positive and negative numbers. Integer variables cannot store numbers with decimal point in it. I will now declare an integer variable named count. Syntax to declare a variable is data type space variable name followed by semicolon. Data type for integer is int. Since I want to declare an integer variable named count, I will type int space count followed by semicolon. This is how you declare an integer variable. If you are getting value out of this video, can you hit subscribe button and click on like button? Now, I will initialize the variable and assign some value to it. Initialization is a process of giving initial value to a variable. Here is the syntax to assign a value to a variable. Variable name equals to value followed by semicolon. Here, equal to is an assignment operator that will assign value of an operand at right hand side of equal to sign to an operand at left hand side. I will now assign value 20 to this variable count. In order to do this, I will go to next line and type count equals to 20 followed by semicolon. During execution of this statement, program will assign value 20 to an int variable count. If you have any questions, let me know in comment section below. At this point, count will hold value 20. If I print the value of count, program will display 20 on the output screen. Let's try it out. In order to print a value on this screen, I will make use of printf statement. I will go to next line and type printf in double quotes %d. I am using %d format specifier since I want to print an integer value, comma, name of the variable, count, followed by semicolon. I will now compile and run the code. If you see here, program displayed value of count, that is 20 on the output screen. There is one more way to declare and assign value to a variable. Here, I created two different statements. One statement to declare a variable and another one to assign a value to a variable. It is possible to do the same in one single statement. Here is the syntax for declaring and initializing a value to a variable in one single statement. Data type space variable name equals to value followed by semicolon. I will comment these two lines of code and go to the next line and type int space count equals to 20 followed by semicolon. During execution of this statement, program will declare a variable count of type int and assign value 20 to it. This happens in one go. I will compile and run the code. If you see here, program displayed the value of count, that is value 20 on the output screen. What will happen if you assign a number with decimal point to an int variable? Try it out and let me know in comment section below.